Hey everybody, so we are in the woods. It's been raining all morning. It's gonna rain all day. Last night the lightning was crazy and the rain was crazy. It's kind of hard to see, but there's a hill right right here that goes straight down, and there's a creek right there. Well, we were camped on this little bank down there by the creek, and last night we had to move our tent up here uh, where our bikes were because the creek was rising, and we didn't want to take the chance of it flooding and carrying us downstream in our tent. um, I checked it after a huge patch of rain went through, and it never did actually get up to the spot where we had our tent, but it was enough that we didn't want to take the chance of it rising anymore and actually carrying us away. As you can see, I am inside the tent. This is the screen right here, so it might be a little difficult to see through the tent, but it's definitely coming down still. We got a little bit of a break right now. That's why I opened up the little window here to show you guys. Yeah, so we're pretty much gonna just stay here all day. Here in a little bit, I am going to have to put my wet gear on and head to the store. We got to get ice for Stinky's cooler for her medicine because she's got insulin. She needs to stay cold. It's all melted in there right now, but the water is ice cold still. So here in like an hour, I'm gonna go and get some ice and whatever we need from the store. Oh, so just to let you guys know, we are okay. Um, nothing happened to us last night because of the rain or anything like that. Yeah, it was a little scary, but other than it being a little scary, it wasn't too bad. And for the most part, we are dry, as well as dry as we can be. We do have some condensation coming through here, but not much. So, anyways, we will catch you guys on the next one, and hopefully, our next video will, I don't know, involve some riding. All right, laters.